coupons are a key marketing tool for any business, but sometimes managing them can be challenging. Here's where Paymattic comes in. In this video, we'll explore its powerful coupon field and how to set it up and use it in a form. To kick things off, head to the Coupons from the Settings tab. Let's give our coupon a name followed by the code. All right, so time to add our discount. Oh, quick FYI, you can opt for a fixed amount or percentage. So let's go for 20%. All right, so to ensure responsible use, you can set a minimum purchase amount, which requires customers to spend a specific sum before the discount applies. All right, so with this stackable option, you can take further control over your promotions. Choose whether customers can combine this offer with other discounts to tailor your strategy. I'll define the coupon's lifespan by setting start and end dates, and limit the number of times a single user can utilize by setting a limit per user value. To top it all off, let's select the specific forms where this coupon will be valid. You can leave it blank for universal use. Right, so once your coupon is configured, take a form you want to edit. Now, add the coupon field from here. Let's adjust the field label, like changing to got a discount code. All right, so it's done. There you have it. Adding the coupon field to your Paymattic forms is a quick and easy way to engage customers and boost your sales. Remember, the Paymattic documentation has a detailed guide on this feature if you need more information.